Okay, I'm coming at you with the fan favorite for a 2-digit multiplier times a 2-digit factor. Of course, you can use this with any number of digits in a factor, but I'm going to start out with the same exact fact that I've been using, 43 times 25. So tic-tac-toe is really the distributed property blown up. I'm going to expand every part of each factor. That means I'm going to expand 43 and 25. To know how to build my tic-tac-toe box, I have to know how many digits I have in my factor. My top factor has 2 digits, so that means I'm going to draw 2 vertical lines side by side or parallel. Then my second factor, or my multiplier, also has 2 digits, so I'm going to draw 2 horizontal parallel lines side by side. The last thing I'm going to do is put my play in. That means I'm going to put my x up here, which is really your multiplication sign, and then I'm going to go ahead and expand those numbers. That 4 is worth 40. That 3 is worth 3. So this number is going to go here, and then this factor is going to go on the side. That 2 is worth 20, and that 5 is worth 5. Then you're going to use this similar to a coordinate grid. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to start with this box here. The 2 numbers that it is touching is 40 and 43 and 20 and 25. So inside this box, I'm going to multiply 40 times 20. 40 times 20. Do the basic fact. 4 times 2 is 8. Count and add your zeros. 1, 2. Over in this box, the factor of 43 that it's touching is 3. And in 25, it's 20. So I'm going to multiply 3 from 43 and the 20 from 25. Do the basic fact. 3 times 2 is 6. And count and add your 0. Now I'm going to go down to this box. In this box, I am working with the factor of 40 from 43 because it's at the top of that row, and 5 from 25. So I'm multiplying 40 times 5. Do the basic fact. 4 times 5 is 20. Then count and add your 0. And lastly, in this box, I'm multiplying the 3 from 43 times the 5 from 25. This last box will always be a basic fact. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, because I said this is like the distributed property, but expanded even more, we multiplied. Now we're going to add. I like to add across each row, then add those 2 sums together. So I'm going to add 800 plus 60 to give me 860, which if you remember from the other 2 videos, I got the same amount. And then I'm going to add 200 plus 15, which is going to give me 215. Then I'm going to add those 2 amounts together like I would as a standard math algorithm, starting with 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, and 8 plus 2 is 10, to give me 1,075. If you remember, I estimated my product in my last 2 videos. 43 rounds to 40, 25 rounds to 30. Do the basic fact. 4 times 3 is 12. count and add your zeros to give you 1,200, which is pretty close to 1,075. And there you have it. That's tic-tac-toe.